Hello to all, welcome to Global Offensive Hacker Associate Community. In this section we are going to learn about NFC, which stands for Near Field Communication. So I think maybe whenever you go outside, when you try to purchase a phone or any kind of gadgets, right, you always see that word called NFC, and that is basically stand for Near Field Communication. So what exactly is NFC and how we are going to use it, how we are going to set up, like maybe the phone for NFC, how we can transfer that particular files using an NFC. So this entire thing we are going to learn under this particular video. So let's understand what exactly is an NFC. So as I mentioned, NFC nothing but the near field communication, and generally it is used for very short range. So I think you have used Wi-Fi, you have used Bluetooth, right? Same way we have a NFC. So example, let's say like if I have a phone here like this, right, and suppose here you can see this is basically my card. It's basically NFC based card. You can clearly see that this is NFC based card. So using that particular card, I'm going to show you how to write it, that particular card, and how we can transfer the data using an NFC. That is basically a main motto of this particular video. So we'll see everything live, and I'm going to show you practically. And I'm not going to record for basically for hacking related stuff today. I'm just simple, I want to explain about what exactly is the NFC technology, because most of the people know NFC theoretically, and today in this particular section you will see everything practically. So let's start. So let's understand what are the use cases of NFC. So I'm just going to my Notion, and here is basically the presentation. So just read just for 2-3 minutes, and then we'll move to the practical part. So it is a proximity based wireless communication standard, as I mentioned, and unlike Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, however, NFC interaction is limited to an extremely short range. And also you will find NFC on tablet, speaker, and you have seen, I am 100% sure, when you go to the Chroma showroom or any showroom, if you try to purchase any phone or any latest gadgets, you always see NFC written there on the particular box. So the use cases. So what are the use cases regarding to that, the technology, whatever we are talking about, NFC. So example, let's say NFC can be used for data transfer, NFC can be used for the payment, NFC can be used for a gaming purpose. There are many use cases are there related to the NFC. So let's see in a bundle. So here is the example. You can see data transfer, you can use it, and this I'm going to show you live. Second, mobile payment. Third is quick pairing, public transport access, gaming, and home automation. These are basically the use cases of an NFC. Let's see how we can use it. So what you can do is, you can see here you can clearly see that here is basically my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and if you see, this is basically the card, right? So first I'm going to show you like how we can write it. If you have any data you want to write on this particular card, how you can write it. So I am using the application called Cube. You can simply go there, and you can clearly see that my screen. I'm going to use my phone. You can just check this particular screen on this section, and here you can see that. So here you can see this is a Cube which I'm going to open, and you can clearly see that this is basically my card, and you will see 3 options. You can clearly see that one is link card, second is a link QR code, and I can easily share. So example, let's say if I click on share, you can clearly see that I can share just like this to anybody. And suppose you want to see the profile, this is how it look like. You can simply edit your profile, view the profile. So for example, let's see if I just click here, view the profile, and you can clearly see that the entire information about me will be here, right? This is how it is. My website, the email address, phone number, and many things are available here. This how you can write it, the information first. After that you can simply click on the link card directly like this. So you can clearly see that here you will be getting that option ready to scan. So in my case I have done it already, so I'm not going to do this one, but if you want you can simply scan it. So this is basically the iPhone, as you know. And what I need to do is, this is a card, right? Suppose if I want to write it, whatever the information just now I have shown you, if I want to write on this particular card, then what you can do is, you can simply go to this section, this part. So maybe if you are using a latest iPhone, by default NFC is enabled, so you can simply put this card nearby this field, and automatically one pop-up will come, and this I'm going to show you right now. So this is basically the part of how you can link the particular card, how you can write okay on the particular card. I have already done it. Now I'm going to show you what is the advantage okay for this particular card. So for imagine suppose okay, if you go to the conferences, there are suppose hundreds of people are there and you want to share okay, your detailed contact website. So you can't go one by one and you can share the information, right? I have a website, okay, this is my name, this is my LinkedIn profile. So for that particular purpose, what we can do, we can use simple okay NFC card, near field communication card. And what I can do is I can simple use the mobile phone and I can simple tap it just like that. See that? You can now clearly see that just I tap it, you can see this way, and you can clearly see that we have the information available there. So now the client will directly open this particular link, and you can clearly see that here okay, like my entire detail will come directly to the particular phone. You can clearly see that here, and after that you can simply go below and you can simply click here, create a new contact. So that's how okay we can use NFC. So we learned what exactly is NFC, what are the use cases, how we can write okay for the particular card, also how we can share the information okay to any user within a second, and that's how okay he save okay your contact. And that's how you save a lot of time okay when you go to the big conferences or other public places where you want to share some detail okay to your colleague, your friend, or whoever it is. So that's how you can use this technology. I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching the video.